Hello, what's up guys? Today I have one MG5. This car accident, you can see airbag also open and everything is crash car. So this car not start. Today I will show you how you can start this car and what is the problem, why this car not start. Okay, everything I will show you. First you have to diagnose with your diagnosis tool. Okay, so you can see here now I diagnose all the fault. First we see what is the issue and what is the fault code. Okay, see here in engine there is one fault, which is vehicle receive crash fuel cutoff signal P1500, this fault code. So this is the main problem, because you have to first remove crash record and then this car start. All our MG car like this in new model. This is 2021 MG5. Okay, so first we do reset fault, and then you have to remove center console, and then you can see here this is airbag control module. Remove this airbag control module wire. Okay, remove two wire like this, because in airbag control module there is a crash system. So if you emergency, you need to start car after accident, and see this is the procedure. Remove airbag control module and then start car. See, now car start. Great success. First you have to reset all those fault code. When you remove airbag control module and then start car, it will be start. Okay, thank you. This is very easy procedure. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.